It can upscale images up to 32K resolution. It also performs denoise and deblur, and can even restore and reconstruct faces using AI face restoration. On top of that, it allows you to optimize color balance and lighting instantly. With this software, you can batch, enhance, and upscale your photos incredibly fast. In my opinion, both in terms of like quality and price, it can be a better option compared to competitors like Topaz and similar tools. Another great advantage is that it installs locally on your device, so everything stays secure and private. If you're ready, let's test it together. First, go to the Aiarty website. As you can see, this company offers several different products, and they're all practical and useful. Honestly, the quality you get compared to the price you pay is outstanding. From here, you can download the Image Enhancer software for free and test it yourself. After installation, which is very fast and easy, you'll be working with a very simple and user-friendly interface where you can easily start your project. You can import your images either one by one or in batch mode. I added several different images using the add folder option so I could test them with different AI models and show you the real power of this software. Any image you select will appear on the main screen, and you can easily zoom in and out using your mouse scroll or the zoom handle on the side. To get started, you'll need to customize the settings on the right side of the screen based on the result you want to achieve. Here you can choose which hardware to use, CPU or GPU. From my experience, I strongly recommend using your GPU. Next, you can select the appropriate AI model. Let me briefly explain these models so you can fully understand how they work. More Detail GAN version 3. This is the newest and most advanced version of the More Detail GAN V2 model. I'd say it's an all-rounder and works great for most images. It significantly improves image details and sharpness, and it's very effective for denoise and deblur. Its main strength is enhancing images that include skin and hair. AI GC Smooth V3. This is the upgraded version of Smooth Diff V2. Simply put, it's designed specifically for AI-generated images and animated shots, and it's highly optimized for that kind of content. It delivers excellent clarity and image quality. Real Photo version 3. As the name suggests, this model is mainly used for restoring and enhancing real-life photographs, and it does this job very well. Now, let's process the first image using the More Detail GAN V3 model. Here you can upscale your images up to 8K resolution or increase their size by up to 8 times. If needed, you can further boost the output by another 4 times to reach 32K resolution. If you need higher accuracy and more details, you can enable 2-pass processing. You can also select a different AI model for the second pass and adjust its strength. You can even add text or a watermark to your image if needed. There's also an option here that I usually keep disabled so the software can automatically download and use the latest AI model updates. Once the process is complete, you can easily compare the before and after results. You'll see that the resolution has been greatly increased and the details have been properly restored. The most impressive part is that even after upscaling to 8K, the skin texture and hair details are preserved, and everything stays faithful to the original reference image. In my opinion, it's absolutely amazing. The image used to have a lot of grain and noise, but now it's completely gone, while the picture itself remains perfectly intact and all the main details are unchanged. Now I want to lower the 2-pass processing strength so you can see the difference. This is one of Aiarty's newest features, and it's incredibly useful and high quality. As you can see, the higher you set the strength, the better the final output becomes. Now, to help you better understand how the face restoration feature works, I'm going to test it on 2 more images so you can clearly see the results. Here we have 2 very old and low quality photos. For the first one, I'll upscale it by 4 times and also enable the face restoration option. I'll turn on the color and lighting adjustment as well, then hit start. I also adjusted the colors and lighting a bit to improve the final look so you can easily compare the before and after. Honestly, there's no need for any additional tools like Photoshop. Everything you need can be done right here. I'll do the same for the second photo and upscale it to 4K. The hair and the face of this elderly woman were almost completely gone in the original image, but with the new Aiarty feature, it's fully restored. I think the result's amazing. Now compare the quality yourself. The difference is incredible. Without the face restoration feature, it wouldn't have been able to rebuild the image this well. And if you want, you can further tweak the colors and lighting to make the picture look more alive and less dull. Now, let's take another image that has lower quality and upscale it 8 by. The result looks great again. The face has been restored very well. It's obvious that there are some changes in the color grading. Now let's check a few more images to see different results. As you can see, this AI model works well with many different types of images. You can easily upscale landscapes, portraits, and even animals. This long shot of the beach house was also filled with heavy grain, and Aiarty restored and cleaned it beautifully. There's absolutely no trace of grain left. And for example, this underwater turtle photo is one of the hardest types of images to upscale, especially all the way to 8K, but Aiarty handled it perfectly. The turtle is completely de-blurred and now looks sharp and clear. For this photo as well, you can see that all the elements have been restored beautifully, and you can easily adjust and fine-tune the colors if needed. This image of Budapest, Hungary has been restored and upscaled in an impressive way. You can zoom in fully and still see even the tiniest details with complete clarity. Now let's move on to the next AI model. As I mentioned before, this model is mainly designed for AI-generated and animated images. The first example looks absolutely amazing. For the second example, I used a real landscape photo to see how it performs on real images as well. Let me run a couple more test images so you can better understand the results. Next, I'll test the Real Photo V3 model on a few real photos so you can see how well it performs. For exporting your files, you can first choose the file format and then set your desired DPI. The compression level option lets you control the final file size. The higher you set it, the smaller the final file size will be. All of these options are already perfectly set by default, so you can simply hit export without changing anything. Finally, you can export your images either individually or in batch mode. In my opinion, this software can be extremely useful and practical for your daily work, especially since they're currently running a great discount and you can buy with a lifetime license. Until next time, stay creative.